All right, welcome back to Savanna Techie. I'm your host, Rafael Ndwiga. If you're new to the channel, kindly give me your support by subscribing, liking the videos that are helpful to you, hitting the notification button, and sharing the channel with your peers. If you have visited my channel while you're studying software engineering by ALX, don't forget to mention me on your captain log. If I've been able to explain to you the concepts that are required for you to be able to complete your project successfully. Now, from the comment section and emails that I've received, I'm getting requests to share the text materials I'm using to explain various concepts and solutions covered. I'm currently working on the channel's website where all the resources used to be posted to make this request possible. You can check out the upcoming website at www.savannatechie.com. Apart from this, I'm also working on a way of getting the comments you're leaving on the channel on my Telegram app so that I can be able to quickly respond to you. So, why is it important for you to check the website out? Well, there's a nice contact form that you can use to write the concept or questions you like that you're having challenges understanding, and we can work on resolving that quagmire together. There's also a subscription button with a form that you can use to leave your email to get notification when the website is complete, and other nice resources for you to have a look at. The difference between these forms and any other that you might have used before is that I've integrated them my Telegram app so that I can get notification as soon as you write it. So you can expect a response from me within 30 to 1 hour. I value your privacy, and I can guarantee you that your confidentiality and information will be guarded jealously. For those who are requesting about having issues to do with the quality of videos, so the first videos, they admit they were of poor quality, but they have been improving with each new release and each new feature. Like for example, right now you can see I've added an indicator here at the bottom that if at all I'm mentioning control key, it will highlight to you the control key. If I'm talking about meta key or the alt key, to show you there. If I'm using a combination of various keys, all of them will be displayed there. And then depending on the nature of your connection, the video might be degraded by YouTube. So if you can check on which particular video, the quality of video you're watching by clicking on the gear icon and then the quality, and then from the quality you can be able to see a list of the current qualities that the videos can be streamed at. So the highest quality is 1080 pixels or 4K, depending on which device you're using. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next.